Elevate your DJing experience with the best DJ controllers designed for professionals. These top-tier controllers offer unmatched precision, intuitive controls, and robust features to help you deliver seamless performances. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best DJ controllers you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which musical instruments topic you'd like to see in our next videos. The Pioneer DDJ Rev 7 ranks as the number 5 best DJ controller and offers a cutting-edge solution for open format and scratch DJs. Emulating the professional DJM-S mixer and PLX turntable setup, it features horizontal tempo sliders, motorized 7-inch jog wheels with a vinyl-like texture, and 2 customizable slip sheets per deck. These features replicate the analog mixing experience, enabling precise control over torque and friction. Each jog wheel boasts a 3.5-inch on-jog display for omnidirectional viewing of track waveforms and playback positions. Additionally, the controller includes Pioneer DJ's renowned Magvel Fader Pro, ensuring smooth and accurate scratching. The innovative instant scratch buttons allow DJs to trigger samples directly from the controller without needing a laptop, enhancing the creative workflow. With 22-beat FX, including 3 new ones, and 5 sound color FX, the DDJ Rev 7 offers dramatic, textured performances. The advanced audio components guarantee top-notch sound quality, making it the highest in the Pioneer DJ controller range. The portable yet robust design with its matte and hairline finishes mimics a traditional turntable and mixer setup, making it a sophisticated and practical choice for DJs on the go. Priced at $1990. The Rane One professional motorized DJ controller stands out as the 4th best DJ controller on the market, offering an unparalleled blend of traditional and digital DJing experiences. Designed for Serato DJ, it combines Rane's esteemed build quality and innovative design to provide a comprehensive DJ solution. Its motorized 7-inch turntable platters emulate the authentic vinyl feel, featuring customizable torque settings to suit individual preferences. The Rane One is equipped with multi-function performance pads, enabling DJs to utilize hot cues, saved loops, roll, sampler, slicer, and Serato's Scratch Bank feature. 6 radio-style FX buttons allow instant activation of software effects, fine-tuned with depth and beat parameters, and controlled via independent aluminum paddles for precision execution. Connectivity is another strong suit of the Rane One, supporting 2 USB laptop connections, switchable line phono inputs for traditional turntables, and pro audio circuitry for balanced main and booth XLR outputs, plus additional RCA outputs. Priced at $1295. The Denon DJ Prime 4 Plus redefines excellence in DJ controllers, offering an array of advanced features designed to elevate your performance. Building on the legendary Prime 4, this next-generation system introduces enhanced streaming capabilities, larger jog wheels, and cutting-edge performance features through Engine DJ. A 4-channel standalone DJ console, the Prime 4 Plus includes Wi-Fi music streaming, an onboard sampler with 16 pad-triggered slots, a comprehensive FX suite, and a 10.1-inch adjustable touchscreen with a 10% larger jog wheel surface. With wireless access to over 100 million tracks through platforms like Amazon, Music Unlimited, Tidal, and more, DJs are always ready to handle any request. The enhanced FX suite features over 25 main effects controlled by intuitive knobs, buttons, and dedicated OLED displays, along with dynamic sweep and touch FX. The innovative Engine DJ software also enables the use of a drop sampler on a standalone system, perfect for triggering drops, drums, risers, and other samples. This powerhouse of a DJ controller is available for $2189. The Pioneer DDJ FLX10 is a top-tier 4-channel performance DJ controller, compatible with Rekordbox and Serato DJ Pro, priced at $1590. As the second best DJ controller available, it boasts an array of innovative features designed to enhance creative performances. One of its standout features is the track separation technology, allowing DJs to perform live mashups effortlessly without pre-prepared tracks. This technology lets users manipulate vocals, drums, and other instruments separately with dedicated color-coded buttons, making on-the-fly remixes a breeze. The controller includes several display modes. Deck Info mode shows comprehensive deck information, including waveforms. Waveform mode provides zoomed-in views of waveforms for 2 decks. Artwork display showcases the track's artwork, and DJ Logo display lets DJs personalize their setup by showing custom logos or images using the image transfer tool. The DDJ FLX10 also supports DMX output for Rekordbox lighting, simplifying lighting control during performances. The multicolored jog ring is another first, offering visual cues for different track parts or customizable colors for a personalized touch. The Rane 4 DJ controller stands out as the #1 choice for DJs, especially with its cutting-edge Serato stems integration. This advanced controller features a dedicated stems pad mode, independent acapella instrumental buttons, and an exclusive stem split function, making it the ultimate tool for a seamless stems workflow. Performances are elevated with 8 OLED displays above 16 performance pads, offering visual feedback for various pad modes, including Q, loop, sample names, and FX. The Rane 4 enhances creativity with 22 hardware main FX and 4 knob-controlled channel FX, such as reverb, scale-down echo, recycler, and more. This 4-channel mixer offers complete EQ control, intuitive FX assignment, and enhanced sampler routing. It also includes quick-access jog wheel deck selection buttons and 2 external line phono inputs for additional turntables or decks. DJs can fully harness Serato DJ Pro with DVS and pitch and time features, while the Mag 4 tension adjustable crossfader provides precise control over crossfader curves. The 8.5-inch responsive jog wheels and 8 pads support various modes, including stems, hot cue, saved loop, roll, sampler, and slicer, priced at $1490. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.